Hey everybody, thanks for joining Bucket's Garage at YouTube.com. Today we're at the Hardin County Fairgrounds in Kenton, Ohio for the scooter meet. And it's a really small meet, but we can build it up again. Everyone should come out and take a look. There's a lot of cool stuff. Let's take a look. Let's get into this and see what we can find. Maybe I can buy something today. Who knows?
Got one of these in there, I guess. Yep. Okay. Coming up to another scooter meet today. And we're coming to the entrance. Little road trip today. Ohio classic scooters.
Look at the old Simplex, guys. Wow, this thing is awesome. Oh man, I can just see me going down the dirt roads of this thing. Yeah. Woo. It's undamped. You don't see too many of them buggers anymore. Yeah. You even got the keys. Yeah, folks, you got to come to a scooter swap meet. No matter how small they are, you find lots of treasures. Oh man, I'm already finding some good stuff here. I think I'm gonna buy that license plate there. That'll look cool. How much you got on this? 10 bucks? Look at all this other stuff. A lot of parts here, guys. See that? Off of us. Different states got cool looking plates. Yeah, I like that little buggy on there. Ducky. Well, look at here. Slippers would enjoy this. Old die cast. Even that old tractor's pretty cool. Oh, look at this truck. Oh, he'd be into that. Yeah, my friend at Tarylfixesall. And slippers. He would enjoy that. Excuse me.
Yes.
How much is your carburetor?
$5.
$5?
Yeah. One of those bicycle motors.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna see if I can get that to convert for I got a ST50 Suzuki.
Okay. Yeah, possible.
That might fit in there because
Maybe.
it's in the inside the motor.
Okay, yeah. Rotary valve.
Yeah.
Yes. I know exactly what
And give it a shot. It's missing the carburetor, missing parts.
Sure. But that's what that's off of. If you see it works or you need parts, it's off one of the motorized bicycle motors.
Cool. Thank you. Holy buckets. $5. I got that TS50 Suzuki at home that I think this might work on. That was found in a flattened barn. Some Amish friends of mine found it for me. I'm going to make a video out of that too. So let's see if we can get the running. It's missing a carburetor and stuff. Man, look what I found. At a small meat. Got to come and check these small meats out. If you got junk in your garage, you got to come and check it out. Bring your stuff up here. It's not that expensive to set up. We want to keep these things alive, but it was definitely worth the trip. But I am heading to a ham fest in Dayton, Ohio. But this was worth the stop. Never hesitate.
Oh, yeah.
If you're going to think about it, just get it. You know what? I'll get a fish sandwich.
You want fish sandwich?
Yeah, I'll get a fish sandwich. Want me to pay for that sandwich now?
Okay, down the corner.
All right. Best $10 ever spent.
And that's a good price on it.
Now you see this bike here? Look how pretty that is. I've got one of these sitting in the garage. Doesn't look as pretty as this. I might do a video on it. Get it running. It's about time to get it running. It's been sitting there for a long time. But yes, this is a cool little bike. I gotta get that. Just inspires me. Yeah.
Crossley radios, Crossley cars. This is a Crossley in a Cushman, so they call it a Cushley.
Cushley. That's
Here's
pretty
the
awesome.
radiator. Cools from the bottom up. I'm assuming he takes this off when he
Must
rides
take it off, yeah, so it doesn't get damaged.
That's just so
That is really
kids
neat.
don't pick at it. Yeah. If you go to the show over in Portland, you see stuff like this all the time. There's a guy.
Yeah, we go to the show.
There's a guy that took Dwayne. His last name. He took 2 of these Crossley 4-cylinder. Twice a year. I don't know.
Well, everybody, we left the swap meet. It was a really nice swap meet. We had a good time. We made a few friends and saw a lot of neat stuff. It was worth going. I got a couple little things, got some license plates, got a carburetor I needed. Hey, why not, you know? So now we're going to be headed to the Dayton Hamfest. But I tell you what, you got to check out these small swap meets. They're really cool. And I tell you what, bring a little bit of stuff. It's not that much to set up. And it goes, what's today? Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So definitely got to go check it out. Anyway, thanks again for watching Bucket's Garage. And please like and subscribe. Like always gets me going, even more subscribers. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys. Have yourself a great day. Take care. I'll see you soon. Yeah, now I gotta wait for this train to go by and get held up here. Yeah, I'm excited. Gotta go. Come on, train. Go, 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 go. Woo-hoo. Let's go.